Creative leaders see opportunity to solve problems and imagine a world that others don't. The top 52 creative leaders. Innovation, vision, progressiveness, originality, and resourcefulness are all characteristics of successful creative leaders. Creativity was ranked the most important leadership quality for success in business. This is why here at Skilltivity, we have compiled and curated the top 52 creative leaders today.
And at number 1, we have the top creative leader on the top 52 creative leaders list, brought to you by Skilltivity. Thanks again, guys, for sticking with me for this year. The top creative leader in the number 1 spot is Jeff Bezos, and he is the founder, CEO of Amazon. Jeff Bezos is in the number 1 spot for diversifying Amazon's e-commerce offerings. And let's just keep it real, for monopolizing the internet.
Jeff Bezos became a mythical figure in the business world long before he surpassed Bill Gates as the richest person on Earth. From humble beginnings, Bezos has built the largest commerce company in human history, Amazon. But years before Bezos' net worth surpassed $100 billion, he was the troubled son of a teen mom in Houston, Texas. From here, it didn't take long for Bezos to turn his life around and build an e-commerce juggernaut. Though much has been written about his habits and managerial style, few people know about his past. Today, we are exploring how Jeff Bezos built Amazon.
I'm Jeff Bezos.
What is your claim to fame?
I'm the founder of Amazon.com.
What began as an online bookstore,
A millennia from now, people are going to look back and say, wow,
has become a virtual empire.
Amazon really is arguably the most successful company in the history of business.
Wow, that's saying a lot.
this is the beginning of e-commerce.
You guys didn't even know if this thing was going to work.
We had a pretty good instinct.
If you make the best service online, people will come.
This is a company that wants to control the infrastructure.
As computers continue to get cheaper, we will layer innovation on top of that.
It's plausible that Amazon will know you better than you know yourself.
Alexa.
It's in our homes.
Should people trust that it won't be used against them in some way that they don't authorize?
Absolutely.
At our fingertips.
Amazon Web Services took over the web basically in a decade.
Does having that much power give you pause?
That's a significant responsibility. We're aware of that.
And now it fuels our economy.
Amazon is America's second trillion-dollar company now.
The company is now worth almost as much as the entire economy of Australia.
Is Amazon too big?
I don't think Amazon's too big.
Amazon has got too big!
I think they have monopoly power.
Amazon's become an invasive species.
So you think that Amazon should be broken up?
Oh, 100%.
A journey.
It's a business miracle.
Woo! And a leader, unlike any other.
This is Blue Moon. I ask people at Amazon.com, wake up every morning afraid, wake up terrified, be afraid of our customers. Those are the people we have to pay attention to.
Monopoly is a bad word, but I'm telling you, it's something that Amazon has done. They've actually ended careers out here. They've ended businesses because businesses have not innovated to the level. And if you need to get something, just go on Amazon and get it. They've changed the way that shoppers shop and people do business. They really changed the game in the e-commerce space. And it's made Jeff Bezos the wealthiest man in the world. And so, hey, you can't hate it. This is a company that just keeps innovating, whether it be e-commerce, cloud computing, different ways of getting the products out to the masses. So Jeff Bezos is in the top spot, the number 1 spot in the top 52 creative leaders list, brought to you by Skilltivity. Thank you for watching Skilltivity's top 52 creative leaders. And as you follow our curated list, I provided a resource for you. And it's to help you develop your own creative leadership skills. It's called The Ultimate Guide to Creative Leadership Success. And you can get it for free by clicking on the link below in the description of this video. Also, please subscribe to Skilltivity. We've got videos coming, and you want to make sure to follow us as we keep going on this journey. Hit the bell to get notifications of new videos that come. Just know that Skilltivity, we're here to help you move forward in advancing your creative skills. We're always aiming for that. So from me to you, from Carrington to you, see you soon.